folks, I have a tenor guitar to show you today. This is number 918. Yes, 918. And this is the first tenor guitar I've done that's all Myrtle. It makes sense for me to do that. I mean, you guys know how much I like Myrtle. And this is some really beautiful curly Mastergrade Myrtle. The top, back, sides, and binding are made from the same board. And so what you're seeing with the color variations are just different parts of the same board, which is pretty cool. I do have some more of this if anybody wants it for ukes or tenor guitars. It's got a Douglas fir neck. And then for the fretboard and head plate, got a little inlay there. But we're trying out a new salvaged wood. I usually use pistachio for fretboards, but sometimes folks do want that like dark colored look that comes from, you know, traditional musical instruments traditionally have that dark wood fretboard, whether it's rosewood or ebony or whatever. And I did salvage some nice big boards of this wood called wenge. I think it's an African wood. Got it from the Carpenter Ant Stash in Portland. I think it's going to be really well suited for a fretboard. It does have open pores in it. You see that little texture to it? But yeah, you can see it good there. I mean, yeah, but when we touch this, this feels smooth, obviously. It's sanded and everything. It just has that open pore look that maybe some folks aren't into. I don't know. I think it's cool. Now, I wouldn't, you know, buy this wood off the shelf because I don't support, you know, woods that aren't as sustainable. But when I salvage it from somewhere, I have to make use of it. And this has got steel strings tuned DGBE. It's got a K and K pickup in it. It feels lightweight, but it feels solid. I think Myrtle's a good choice for these. Excuse me. Yeah, and this tenor guitar design I've been doing for a while. I think it's cool. It's really kind of sounds like part banjo, part dulcimer, part guitar, part uke. I think it's a good. I think it's a good design. So anyway, 918. Have a good one. Cheers.